How do you fix a crack in a pool filter? Now, this is very important. You do not fix a crack in your pool filter. Once your pool filter has cracked, you need to replace it. A pool filter is a pressure vessel and it can run up to 30 psi. And what you don't realize is that 30 psi in a tank that large is exceedingly dangerous. And it is entirely possible that you could experience a sudden explosive structural failure of your pressure vessel, of your pool filter. And if that were to happen, it would be disastrous for anybody standing near to it. And it could even be fatal in a worst case situation. That is something that does happen, especially with split tank style pool filters. Being that you could accidentally make a mistake when you put them back together at the split flange, and then they don't reconnect properly or tight enough, and then when you go to pressurize the system, they could blow apart. So that's why you would never attempt to perform a service or repair to a tank that has cracked or split. Once the pressure vessel has failed like that, it's garbage and you must replace it for safety. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.